Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and isn't this lock just absolutely amazing? This is the ILCO, ILCO Unican Herculok, made in the US, and it's just brilliant. Why? Well, look underneath here. This is one of the rarer types of tumbler you can get in padlocks, which is the tubular lock. I have a couple of these. I've got the Chicago Ace, I think. I've got a Cody lock. I've got the American lock, the 7000 series tubular lock as well. And we've got this Herculok here, which is just brilliant. And here is the slightly kind of what is it, corroded key. All brass though, so it would clean up very nicely. And just pop that in and it opens up. Double ball bearing mechanism. Just such a cool lock. And I found this for a bargain on eBay about a couple of years ago. Just never did a video on it. So let's grab a vise and we will have a go at picking this. Okay, so we're in the vise. I will just use the key again. There you go. Oh, powerful spring, really powerful spring. And we're all locked up. I got a tensioning tool here, and the aim of the game, as you know with these things, is to get some good tension on, get a pokey stick and go around pin by pin seeing what's binding. So one, oh, little click out of one, 2, don't think there's any false gates in this, 3, nothing, 4, little movement, 5, oh, very heavily bound, 6 as well, felt that cord just turn a smidgen, nothing on 7, so that means we go back to 1, nothing on 1, 2, just a nudge, and I felt some movement. These might be slightly tapered pins then. Then click there. Another touch on pin 6. 7, let's click there. Just checking. 1, 2, 3. So usually if you've got tapered pins, it means that you might have to just revisit the pin after you picked it the first time and pick it again. So that's really normal. Just going around, just making sure that everything's being picked, and let's try. So it feels all very good, so it must be something that we're just not getting. 1, 2, nothing on 2. Let's try getting onto pin 3 here. Feels fine. 4 feels fine. 6 feels fine. 7 there. Okay, so I think we're almost there. I don't know why we're not open. Probably just on the cusp of, there we go, being picked. 1 position. So that's the first position. I think we need to do 2 to get this open. Then of course I'll pick it backwards off camera to relock it. And unfortunately the keyway's so tight, the self-impressioning tools that I have won't actually work. The second time you pick, you got a pin at a neutral position here, so you don't need to pick that one. So all you're doing is you're picking 6 pins this time round. If I can get them. Ah, there we go. That pin was binding heavily. We'll just go around. That pin was binding, so that's pin 1 now. It's pin 2 on. Trying to get my. Come on. There we go. That was pin 2. Pin 3's set. 4, 5. Anything on 6? Can't quite get onto 6. Come on. There you go. 6. Ooh, almost there. I felt that core partially turn. So what we're doing is we're just going along, and we're gently just pressing on tops of these pins. Like I said, there might be some tapers in there, so just because they're set once doesn't mean they're fully set. So we go onto this pin here. Struggling to get onto this pin down here. There we go. And it feels like again we're almost there, so we're just going to tap tops of all these pins. There we go. Hit pin pin 3, and come on, open up, open up, open up. Ooh, that's quite a powerful spring there. But yes, that is the really, really good fun ILCO Herculok. Really great lock for any collection. I'm so happy I managed to find this on eBay. I've never seen one since, but then I am in the UK, not in the US. So if you like this video, please give it a like. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Really helps me out. If you've got a comment, leave one below, because I do read them all and reply to as many as I can. And of course, I'll see you all next time.